What do you say, friends? So why am I in Times Square walking in the bike lane? Because we got out and played in the rain earlier today, but I haven't seen some art in a little bit, so we're gonna run down, see this Jenna Morello that she put up in Times Square. Then we're gonna do a little bit of a crazy jaunt across the city. Times Square again, won't be back down to this area for a while. But let's go see it. All right, adios. Just like most days in the city, who knew there was gonna be a trailer? There's another trailer set up in front of this gym. Wouldn't be right to be in Hudson Yards. Could not stop to see this gem of a Milo. Rain's coming. There's Cody James. Alright friends, we just made it to Soho. Round 2, Mike Macatron. The feet. Juju the Frog. Pretty sweet. F-stop station. Year of the Snake. Chinatown. Wow, this one's fantastic. So we made it to Chinatown. Saw a few that we haven't seen yet. But a little fun day in the rain. I look a little goofy that way. Jedi in one view, goofball in another view. So time to roll home, hang out with the fam. But that's about 7 miles across the city. Rain was up and down. But got to check off seeing a bunch of art that's popped up that I hadn't seen yet. Some of it old, some of it newer. But hope everybody's having a great Saturday. Here's a little video moment. Gotta like those